What up, YouTube? Mr. 300 Baits back at you again, man, with another review. And today we are checking out that Ridin shotgun by Prohibition juice. Yes, sir. Shout out to the homie Nicholas, man. Yeah. Tell you a little about the juice, man. Comes in 0, 3, and 6. It's a 75-25 blend, and it's $24.99 over at mojovapor.com. I know somebody got a Mojo code, man. And then I know they be running them sales over at Mojo, so you might want to grab you one. I don't know. Flavor profile: golden cookie pudding. Got the pudding, got some pudding. Yeah, man. Golden cookie pudding, man. That's all I say, man. Don't say nothing else. No flim flam, no long excuse on why it tastes the way it tastes. None of that, man. Rocking this out on my B2K RSA. See how this go, man. On top of my Limelight Mechanics Freehand S. Y'all know Jade. If you don't know Jade, meet Jade. Let's have a vape, man. Let me go back in. Yes, sir. Look. Besides the point, they ain't want to shoot this juice out to me for review. This shit is good. I will hold on to it too. I wouldn't send it to me either. Yo, definitely get the golden cookies, man. It tastes like some golden Oreos, man, with some rich sweet pudding on that thing, man. Like, yo. Nicotine satisfaction is okay. It's okay. It's good, but it could be bump it up just a little bit more. This shit is good though. Good. I ain't got no tickles on the throat, none of that shit. Yeah, man. Definitely some good juice. Definitely one I would have to say you might want to go check out, man. This up there. This up there now. Look, this might not go back to the sender. Might have to hold on to this. We might have to do a little trade for something, man. I don't know. Yeah, I got this in the 3mg, man. Been thinking about copping these for a long time. The price was a little high. It was a little high on their website. But just saying, man, good juice. Definitely one I think you might want to go check out, man. And as always, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. Vapes in the air, man. Vape me if you got them.